Hello newbies, welcome to our beginners courses. I'm Young. Continuing from our last episode, Scan Preparation and Scan, we prepared the final episode, Order. In this video, we're going to show you how to send an order to your lab. Once you're done scanning, let's go to the Form tab. Fill out the form. Select the type and material for your prosthetics. Before we place the order, we need to find a lab to send it to. Click the box-shaped icon on the bottom left and go to My Info. This will open up the MeditLink website. Click Partners. Depending on where you're accessing from, it will list up labs close to you. As a practice, let's type in Edu and search. We'll request a partnership with the example lab named EduApp1. When the designated lab accepts the request, you can start sending orders. Back to our MeditLink software. Now, let's click Order on the upper right and enter the requested delivery date and a memo if you have any. When the lab checks and confirms the order, it will begin making the restorations. Finally, let's export scan files. Go to the File Viewer tab and click Export on the upper right. You can choose where to export the files to and in which format. When you check the boxes for OBJ, PLY, and STL and click Export on the bottom, the scan data is exported to the designated folder. If you need to export all data of a case including the scanning process, navigate to Settings, then Case Converting Tool, select the case and export it. This is called a MEDITX file. This file can be imported for uses for customer support. We learned how to prepare for scanning, scan, and transfer data. For more information on each step, please refer to the video links below. I hope everyone becomes scan masters. Thank you all for watching.